Hello everyone, quick update on the Rambler here. So I've got a new horn installed because the old one died, and I also was doing some work on the fuses, and I'll show you guys that one of the things I fixed is, for some reason, this is the only door that does it, but now when I open it, that light comes on, so that's nice. And then I still got some more installation to do, but the fuse box location on these is just like interesting. So if you ever do have to do it, it is, I'll grab my lights here. Alright, way up in here, which I had to lay on my back and reach way up in here to get it. But the 9 amp that was in there was the reason the courtesy light up there wasn't working. It was not quite seated properly, and then I put a 30 amp to hopefully try and fix the blower, but it still isn't working, so I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, and then the other thing I did was this wire in here. I'll show you in a second. So this guy here used to be connection to the antenna. At some point, somebody replaced the antenna in the 70s probably with a Ward antenna, and I'm gonna have to tear that whole thing apart to try and undo the screw on the back and then screw in a new one. I had a antenna that was for a newer, like new model cars, but it was not compatible. So when I took it out, I ended up having to snip it, which is what it is, but this wasn't original anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, that's a quick update on the Rambler here. And then I think my next step is going to be taking out the seats and finishing up this insulation and tearing out the rest of the last few remnants of the original carpet to do that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.